Hey y'all, so I'm finally back with another video, and in today's video, as y'all just seen, I have a beautiful unit from Luvme Hair. It's a 24-inch deep wave unit, and this, y'all, look at the lace, HD lace. I'm gonna show y'all the lace, but I'm just showing y'all what came inside the package. But get into the lace. Pre-colored. I'm talking about pre-colored. It came bleached, it came pre-plucked is what I was trying to say. So y'all, this wig is so pretty. But per usual, I'm just showing y'all the install of it. So yeah, I will tap back in a little bit, y'all. This is just the norm. So I just kind of went in and just like plucked the hairline a little more to my liking, you guys. So I always do that, even if a unit does come plucked already, but just not too much, because I do like the density of how the hairline came, but I always have to go over it. I know it looked lopsided, but yeah, I was about to lay down. I always film my videos at night, so I really didn't even care. But yeah, I just had to let y'all know that. Okay, so next time when I get a unit, y'all, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to style my wig, because I feel like I always do like a middle part, or I do a side part, or just some little lame curls. But I really want to like start styling my units, because y'all, I know how to style hair, but like I said, when it be late like this, it's just it's giving middle part. And yeah, so I swear next time when I get me another unit, I'm gonna style my wig. Like, I'm gonna start doing that. this is not my first time having hair from Luvme hair, and every time I got a wig from them, when I say they have some of the easiest lace to like deal with, like it is so easy to melt this into my skin. And I don't know why, but like other units, I be having like a hard time doing baby hair sometimes, but like I really don't know, but I do so good with my baby hairs when I get a unit from Luvme hair. Y'all, like, this is like really good quality, but like I said, this is not my first time having it, so I don't know. I really don't know, but you know, I really like this hair. It never gave me any problems. Like, do y'all see that lace? Do y'all see the melt that is given? Oh my goodness. This is real HD lace, okay? This is not transparent, y'all. This is like the real deal, okay? So, yeah. Trust me when I say this is really good lace. And they is not gonna let y'all down. If y'all want a really good unit with some good quality HD lace, shop with Luvme hair, y'all. Like, and look at the curls, y'all. Like, they got some of the juiciest curl patterns I have ever had on a unit. Like, this is just so pretty. This is just me using foam wrap, y'all. Nothing special. I don't like using mousse. Mousse make my hair, my curls like super crunchy. I don't like that. But this, I'm telling y'all, if y'all get this wig, y'all are seriously gonna love it, because I do. So the only makeup that I'm putting on my uni, y'all, is what y'all see, which is me cleaning up the part with some concealer. I'm not putting no lace on like the actual hairline of it. But look at these curls. Oh my god, so pretty, so juicy. But you know, shop with Luvme hair and get y'all a unit. And as usual, I will have everything listed down below in the description box so you guys can go shop with them. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time.